you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on whenever you're watching this video. My name is EQ. Welcome to EQ Trades. Now, this is the best time for me to do a video because I've been waiting on this long-term downtrending resistance to finally get tapped in. Now, a couple days ago, we did hit this resistance twice. Now we're going to be testing it for the third time. Ideally, I do want to see this swing back up into this higher liquidity zone. Now, the lines you see down here are going to be the uptrending supports from this wedge that we had previously broken. And this is going to be an uptrending resistance from that wedge. Now, as we broke out and broke under, we're currently testing this uptrending resistance as another resistance point. So keep that in mind. That's going to be pretty important moving forward. And going into the 4 hour, you can get a better look at this downtrending resistance that we've been following since about July 28th. The second test was on August 25th. And now we're getting our third test on about September 15th. And one thing to keep in mind based on the volume flow indicator, the VFI, that the last times that we did test this resistance, we had a lot more volume than what we're currently seeing right now. So I would be expecting this to fail as a resistance personally. And something to watch for moving forward is that if we do break under 54.2K, technically under 52.5K, we could see this very quickly bleed down into about the 45 to 39K range. Now, this is something that I've been talking about a lot in the Epic Trading Floor, which our iOS app is now available. And the new website is pretty much ready to go. But if you wanted to see what trades we're getting into at this point, I put all of my calls and all of my trades on the Epic Trading Floor. So make sure to click that link in the description. And I'm also going to tag it in this video. But yeah, ideally, I am looking at this as an LRC rejection point, as a resistance, and to see this play to the downside. And I am looking for ideal short positions moving into the next few weeks and into the election because of the FUD that is circled through the election times. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. No one knows who the president is going to be. We don't know anything about the macros. We don't know if we're going into a recession. FOMC is just around the corner. So keep all those things in mind as you're trading the next week. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you on the next video.